Are you looking for a condominium in Valleybrook? The coveted St. Andrews condominiums. I have one for sale for you, and it's on Doral Drive, as all the condos at St. Andrews are at Valleybrook on Doral. It's 1902, and let's check it out. This one, you're gonna need to make your own. It's gonna need some paint. It's gonna probably need some carpet. It's gonna need some upgrades generally, but the price reflects all of that, and you could have a very special unit with a little bit of effort on your part. But the pricing on these are much, much higher than what we have this one listed for, and you can check it out and see right now. So here we have 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and we have this large open area, got a dining section, family room, and then it opens to this nice sized patio. And all Valleybrook is really maintained beautifully. And this backyard has the forsythia, a lot of lovely weeping willow, nice architecture as far as the landscape is concerned. Got the kitchen, and yeah, I know that these countertops are pink. Maybe that's your color. If not, you change these out, get some new appliances in here, you're good to go. And off the kitchen is the garage. So you have this one car, it's all cinder block, got your electrical panel, and for good measure, got your lucky horseshoe. Of course, I think most people know Valleybrook and the 18-hole golf course. It's really a beautiful property. I've played many times here, and it's really well maintained. It's a Ron Jaworski property, and Ron does it right. So upstairs we have 3 beds and 2 full baths. This would be the master. I mean, this color, I kind of like it. Might not be your cup of tea, but I like the banana yellow. And the flooring, carpet, a little old school, but who knows, maybe that's your style. Got this nice long bathroom, walk-in shower, all good. Then here you have double closet, all kinds of storage in here, makes it nice. Got another duplicate here, got your sock drawer, got whatever drawer you want to use it for there, all nice and neat. Let's check out these other 2 bedrooms on the other side. Got bedroom number 2, overlooks Doral Drive. And then you got bedroom number 3, good with me. And of course you got a full bath that services those 2 bedrooms. Here's your utilities. You got your HVAC system, and you got your hot water heater. So natural gas, of course, central air. And then this is your washer and dryer upstairs where it should be. So we got 1902 Doral Drive, Ron Jaworski's Valleybrook, St. Andrews. And this condo is being sold as is. It's gonna need some upgrades, but nothing that you can't handle, and it's priced accordingly. Got the 18-hole golf course, also have the swimming pool, tennis courts. The association fee is $320 a month. There's an extra special assessment of $186 a month for the next 3 years. That covers the roofs that were recently put on. When I say recently, within the last 5 years. And there's a $400 annual one-time fee for the recreation, for the swimming pool, for the tennis courts, and some of the other nice amenities here. We got 18 holes of championship golf, clubhouse, really nice rolling terrain for the course. Outstanding if you are a golfer. Got 3 beds, 2.5 baths. If you like this property, make sure that you call the number above and you can make your private tour with my company and we could show you, and maybe we can make a deal that way. If it's not your cup of tea, you don't want to do some of the upgrades that this property is going to need, then make sure that you like and subscribe, and then the next videos that come out, you'll be able to see those first and have an opportunity to bid on those first. Gives you a real advantage in the market. Great property, Ron Jaworski's Valleybrook. Make your appointment today, and thank you so much for watching.